Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Randi, summer singer from the Randi Ravel YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to download and install Bracket software. Bracket software is used to program HTML and CSS. When you use Bracket software, you can see colorful program on your screen and be helpful to find the tags on HTML and CSS. So anyone other do, let's get started. Go to video description, link is in the description of the Bracket website. Else you can open new tab on your browser and the search Bracket code editor like this. Bracket code editor. After you can see like the Bracket a modern open source code editor. Go to this website, then you can see download v2.0.1. click this button. Now you can download this software. You can see it is 84.4 MB in this software. After downloading, go to your download location. Double click to install. Click next. Click this tick. Then click next. Then you ask typical or custom. I will choose typical. Click the yes button on this box you can see in the screen record. After installing this software, click this finish button. Search on your PC like brackets. Then open this file. Okay, this is our Bracket software. You can see like this. This is very powerful software can be used. If you don't like to this theme, to change the theme, go to view, themes, then current theme changing to Bracket theme, then click done. Then you can see it is very beautiful and pretty. I think this video interesting for you and helpful for you. If you want to get my brand new videos quickly, subscribe my channel, click the notification bell icon and select all option to get my new videos as a notification to your device. Follow Randi Ravel on your social media also.